What's good, tubers? I'm out here on this beautiful Saturday, a little breezy, and today is May 1st, the 2021 season opener with the crew. Let's go, baby! I'm so pumped. Went ahead and fixed my GoPro angle. I know I screwed it up in the last video. I'm hoping I got it right in this one. Looks like we're gonna have a ton of people out here today. I'm trying to make some gains on my wheelies today. I'm feeling good. Hopefully the wind doesn't affect anything as far as wheelies and, you know, riding and stuff, but I think we should be okay. Damn, that thing is fucking, holy shit. Yeah. What's up, dude? Not much. Alright, so I wanted to test out the 4K video, but I already started this vlog in 1080 at 60 frames a second, so we're gonna go ahead and save it for next video. Ooh, 690 action, baby. We got everyone out here today. As we should. It's a season opener, for Christ's sake. Tyler likes boys. Dang. Man, that Hayabusa was nasty. Yeah, boy! Dude, we got a shit ton of bikes out here, man. For instance, we got the 150 John, we got a DR, we got a DR 650, we got some KTMs, two-stroke action, stretch bikes. Looks like we got some leader bikes, 636s, a lot of DRZs. Oh shit! That John's fat. Oh, got a freshie on the back too. No rear brake though. Oh, we got some nitrous. Holy shit! These DRZs seem like so natural to wheelie. Maybe I got the wrong bike. The Bull Dylan now has front brakes. Crazy, right? We got Mike out here. We got some Groms. Oh shit! Yeah, boy! Yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah! Dude, today's fixing to be lit! Here, tubers. Just did me a fresh oil change this morning. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Damn, Mike. Yeah. I guess we're waiting for people. Block is hot, boy. Slow motion Grom action. CX-10 is nasty. Oh shit. Yeah. God, I want to wheelie so bad, but I don't trust myself around all these people. I don't want to have a fucked up day, you know what I'm saying? Dude, that is fucking nasty. No-handed coasters. Fucking out of control. Oh shit. Yeah, boy. smoking them out. Smells good. That guy had a problem with his Grom at the gas station there, man. We thought we had a blown head gasket, but I think he just has a clean air mod and he was just leaking oil because he always has the thing up. See? No hander, yeah. Fucking shit is dope. I don't think this guy knows how to ride on two wheels. He's one wheel only. I think this type of ride proves to myself that I need more than 2 batteries, because I don't want to cut off and turn the camera on and record and turn it off and record again. I just want to be recording all the time because I don't want to miss nothing. Little burnout action. Of course, y'all couldn't see it. Well, TTR 125, what's wrong with that? There we go, tubers, I got it. Yes! Yeah! Yeah! See, what I need to work on is popping it up higher and then keeping it there rather than rolling on the throttle to get it to somewhat balance point. And then I'm like out of RPMs and I gotta shift. I don't want to do that. I want to keep that shit going nice and steady, up high. That wheelie felt good. I think it's all about the clutch pop. I don't want to roll on the throttle, like I said, to bring it up. I want to just pop it up and have it there. Maybe a little bit of finagling in the throttle, you know. It's going to take some practice. I had a lot of seat time this week. I think this is my 5th day riding this week. See? Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, boy! Sitting that shit! Oh my god, he's so high up! As they say, that shit's dope. That DRZ is sick. That color combo is just freaking nasty. Oh, dude, that's too good, man! Oh, that felt so good. I got it, tubers. I freaking got it. I'm using the rear brake. It's like a goddamn parade out here, man. Oh, yeah. That's gonna be me next year. Yeah, we'll see. God, it's so smooth. The 150 action is gnarly. Combo! Oh shit, we got cops. Oh, SSR action. Nothing wrong with that. I've never seen one of these stretch DRZs in person, and there's like 3 or 4 of them here. What up, Brom? Fat Tire Hayabusa. There's another Fat Tire something or other around here. ZX14 or something. Maybe it's another Busa. I don't know where the hell he is, though. Something else I didn't share with you guys, I'm using a new video editing program. It's by Cyberlink, and it's a 2019 version. It's like $100. Before, I was using a 2013 to make all my videos, and it was just dated. And I didn't want to upgrade because I know how to use it. I didn't want to get another program and have to mess around with it. But the problem, and the reason I had to commit to it, I recorded a video on the new GoPro 8, and there was zero sound. Everything was fine playing back on Windows Media, but as soon as I dragged and dropped it into my video editing program from 2013, the sound was just full, like static, like so I'm still getting to learn how to use it, so go easy on me because I'm not the best editor as is, but there's a lot of things to learn how to do. I've been watching some tutorials and whatnot, naturally. Well, that was a dope ass ride. Ton of people, ton of good riders. It's a little bit close quarters. I don't really like that much. It's like more of like a city ride, like a hood ride, but the show was fun. It's fun every now and then. All the people out on Main Street having, you know, brunch and dinner and stuff, whatever time, what is it, 6 o'clock? Having a late lunch, early dinner. We're loving it. Ton of people filming. I'm sure the cops weren't happy, but I've been out for quite a long time, and I need to get home because my dogs need to eat some dinner. You know what I'm saying? So, tubers, if you like today's video, you know what to do. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.